The year is 1824. Aaron Ogden runs a steamboat company licensed by the state of New York, taking passengers between New York and New Jersey. His business has a competitor, though, Thomas Gibbens, who runs a company licensed by the federal government. Since Gibbens does not have a New York state license, Ogden decides to sue him in New York court for illegally operating a steamboat company that was not licensed by the state. He wins the case, but Gibbens decides to appeal it to the Supreme Court. And so, Gibbens v. Ogden began. The Commerce Clause of the Constitution states that federal Congress has the right to regulate commerce between the states, not the state governments. Further, the Supremacy Clause of the Constitution stated that federal law is of higher authority than state law. With that, John Marshall made the decision for the court, ruling in favor of the federal government and Gibbens by defining transportation by boat as interstate commerce. Unlike Marbury v. Madison and McCulloch v. Maryland, this decision wasn't surrounded by politically charged controversy at the time. And while it didn't have extreme immediate effects, it did have a lasting impact, preventing states from giving monopolies to some businesses and opening up interstate commerce to be more competitive, with a much wider range of companies for customers to choose from. Defining commerce as broadly as Marshall did also opened up the floodgates for later court decisions that likewise defined commerce broadly, even recent decisions regarding the internet being considered interstate commerce.